Hello everyone, welcome to the general informations. Today in this video, I will show you how you can set up a VPN connection without downloading any application. You can set up this VPN connection on any devices like Android, iPhone, Linux, Windows, anywhere. So watch the full video and keep yourself secure while browsing internet. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So let's start. You can see on my screen I am searching on a Google or one website. Look, this is vpnbook. Just search for it and the first link is vpnbook.com. It is loading. Yeah, great. Now scroll down, tap on PPTP connections. Yeah, here it is. There are so many servers out there. You can select any of the server. Whichever server you select, your IP location will be of that country. Now go to the VPN settings. In the setting, give the name. You can give any name. Now it is the server address. I am giving us.vpnbook.com, us1.vpnbook.com. Now the username. This is vpnbook. Now the password. Here it is the password and the username. Password can be changed every week or every 10 days. You have to check it again and again while connecting to it. So I'm entering this password. Just wait in just a second. Here it is. And I'm done. Now let's connect to this VPN connection. Turn on the VPN connectivity. It's connecting. It's connected. You can see it's connected in less than 1 minute without downloading any applications. So you can use this VPN and keep yourself secure on internet. If you found something interesting in this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment me down what's new for you.